Today we're making mujadara, lentil and rice with caramelized onions. Start off by sifting through a cup of brown lentils. Now, even though the lentils you buy in the supermarket might be mostly clean, it's always a good idea to go over them. Then we're going to give them a wash, and we're going to add 5 cups of water to 1 cup of brown lentils. That's the ratio that you'll need. Remove any white foam that develops on the surface with a spoon. Bring to the boil and cook the lentils for about 20 minutes. I've sliced about 3 onions into thin ribbons. Add about half a cup of mild olive oil and a good sprinkle of salt. As the lentils are cooking, we're going to caramelize our onions in a separate pan. Non-stick is usually best for this. The best way to caramelize onions is to start off with a medium to high heat to get them going, and then reduce the heat to the lowest for about half an hour. Yes, half an hour seems about a long time, but you really need to put them on low so they won't burn. Keep turning them every so often so they won't brown too much on one side. When you do them this way, they become really sweet, almost candy-like. So the lentils have been boiling away for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to test one of them to see if it's nice and soft. When the lentils are nearly done, I'm going to add 1 cup of rice, and here I've got short grain. You can also use basmati, it just results in a different texture at the end. I'm going to add half of the onions into the lentils, and here I've also got about 1/4 teaspoon of 7 spice, and I'd say about half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir and reduce the heat to a simmer before we put the lid on for about another 20 minutes. And the remaining caramelized onions are added on top of the mujadara. Traditionally, it's served with a nice green salad or even a dollop of yogurt. If you have some mujadara the next day, you can make a nice little wrap with some tomatoes, radishes, lettuce, pickles. It's actually so delicious, so give it a try. And I made this one with red cabbage salad. So this is the classic mujadara. I also have mujadara hamra, which is a more advanced technique if you'd like to learn that. Recipes are on my blog. Give it a try and let me know how it went. And check back for more recipes uploaded every week.